Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I am going to check the sound now. If my computer lets me. You're welcome to fast forward. Yeah, the sound seems to be good. Excellent. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Again, I see that some people are joining, but I don't see the names. So if you want to say hi, go for it in the comments. If not, just know you're welcome, whether you identify yourself or not. All right, it is time for us to start. Sharon Salzberg says, The idea of love for all others can be off-putting to some. Often when I teach about practicing loving kindness for all others, I hear a chorus of reactions. Something like this: how can I possibly make a difference? I am too insignificant, too busy, too old, too young, too exhausted, too overcommitted, too stressed out. Just take your pick. I know I should meditate and exercise. I know I should eat a healthful diet, get plenty of sleep, while also meeting deadlines and at my high pressure job. Sorry, but I just don't think I have it in me to love everybody too. And it is true that the word everybody or the phrase all others can feel overwhelming. So today, let's get more specific in thinking about who some of those all others are, all those unreal others, as Tara Brach calls them, or the neutral cast of characters, as Sharon Salzberg calls them. Today, let's consider those individuals we encounter every day in our lives, those who we don't even label as good or bad, because we just feel that they are not essential to us at all. Before we go into this exercise, I'd like to share a personal story that illustrates this oh so well. In New York, I lived in a big luxury building with thousands of other people. And I'm not proud to say it, but I did not pay attention to any of them. The maximum I did was briefly nod hi to people who were in the elevator with me, but that was really the extent of my seeing them. And on the same floor with me, there lived a woman with a small dog. The dog would often run into my apartment if my door happened to be open as they passed by on their way home. I knew the dog's name very well because the woman would always call out for her, Cookie, no, Cookie, come home. But never did it occur to me to ask the woman's name. She didn't ask for my name either, for that matter. We were just so inessential to each other that we did not even think to bother to exchange names. How crazy is that? Anyway, let's go into our exercise now, paying a bit more attention to neutral people in our lives. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and easy, completely natural. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breath so that all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And as usual, we will start by sending loving kindness to ourselves. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now think of 3 neutral people in your life. You may not know their names, but you interact with them in some way, shape, or form quite often, maybe every day. Examples include the dry cleaning clerk, the delivery person from your favorite takeout, a person you see often on your morning commute, and so on. I'll give you a moment to collect your thoughts on this and pick 3 neutral people for this exercise. And now bring to mind the first person. Just focus on that first person. Maybe bring their image to your mind's eye or just somehow feel their presence, whatever helps you. And think of a short intention for how you would like to shift your behavior towards this person. Perhaps you choose to smile casually at them rather than look away or down at your cell phone. Or if appropriate, maybe you do ask their name if you don't know it. Whatever it is for you. Once you have your intention, imagine the situation in which it will be fulfilled. Perhaps even every day from now on. And as you hold this image in your mind's eye, start sending loving kindness to this person. Remember, just like you, they want to be happy, healthy, and feel at ease. Just like you, they deserve love. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind the second person. Again, think of a short intention for how you would like to shift your behavior towards this person. Remember, just like you, they want to be happy, healthy, and at ease. And just like you, they deserve love. So imagine the situation in which your intention can be fulfilled. And as you hold this image in your mind's eye, start sending loving kindness to the second person. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. And finally, bring to mind the third person. Set an intention for how you would like to shift your behavior toward them. Imagine the situation in which your intention will be fulfilled, and start sending loving kindness to this third person. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel safe, protected, at ease. May you know deep, natural peace. Now take a moment to thank yourself for doing this exercise, for stretching your mind and heart to really see other people in your life, not as a neutral cast of characters in your movie, not as unreal others, but as living, breathing, human beings that they are, just like you. And once again, turn your loving kindness attention to yourself in gratitude for what you have just done. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As usual, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, mentally, emotionally. How are you, really? Today, I invite you to actually go with this into your real life. When you see these people today or in the next few days, try to remember your intention and do whatever you intended to do. And if you want to take this exercise even further, you can actually do it in writing. Divide a piece of paper into 2 columns. In the left column, write down the names of all those neutral peoples in your life, everybody you can think of. And in the right column, write your concise intention for how you would like to shift your behavior toward them. And of course, you may forget your intentions at times and act absent-mindedly out of habit. No worries. Remember, there is great importance in forgiving yourself so that you can gain resolve and simply begin again. Connecting with others, even in these small ways, is proven to boost your own quality of life. So enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.